Heart disease is the second biggest cause of mortality in Canada, and 9 out of 10 of its citizens have at least one risk factor. However, did you know that you hold the key to prevention in your hands? Learn how to have a healthy heart by watching this video. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section after watching this video. Before we begin, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your family and friends. Well, a healthy lifestyle is a crucial component of both prevention and treatment, as well as a complement to medication. We'll start with food as we share our top 5 heart health recommendations with you today. You should make an effort to maintain a nutritious diet that is high in fiber, low in salt and sodium, and low in fat. In order to acquire enough fiber, eat a variety of fresh meals rather than processed ones, and try to avoid fried and processed foods as much as you can. It's also a good idea to carefully examine the components list and nutrition data table. A low-sodium food has 200 milligrams or less of sodium per serving, to name a few things to look for. The maximum amount of salt you should consume each day is 1,200 to 1,500 milligrams, or about half a teaspoon. 0 should appear on the label for trans fats. Be cautious though, as trans fat may be present in some foods even when it's not listed on the label. Therefore, stay away from meals that include partially hydrogenated oils and shortenings. Include good fats like omega-3s in your daily fat intake limit of no more than 30% of total calories consumed. You need 21 grams of fiber daily, so choose solid fruits and vegetables as well as whole grain breads and cereals. The second tip would be to quit smoking without a doubt. You don't want to start smoking conditions, please consult your doctor. If you think you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.